Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I made stewed chicken with rice and peas and some pear, aka avocado. Happy Monday to you guys. Yeah, no. Mm-mm. No.
Family, I want to eat my food. I want to eat my food today.
You can eat your food and have a conversation.
Have a conversation. A smash and pass me and you want to. And tell you who more smash.
Go smash, go smash. You know what? Let me behave myself.
Family, calm it down. That's too early. Wait, more people come first. I wait till more people come first. That's what I'm going to say. I start too early. Family, how you doing? Let's go with y'all peoples. Okay, I'll wait. Everybody not here, so I'll wait till you enter. Don't enter it all at once, okay? Okay, good.
Good.
Season.
Thank you.
Y'all don't enter all at once, so wait. Your time gonna come around. Okay, who wanna go first? How you doing? So somebody take the floor first now. So somebody enter. Okay. Fine? Oh yeah. I know it was good. Your weekend was good. Alright. Next person now. I told you make a line, don't push. Who wanna enter now? How was your week? Okay. Give you some time, hold on. Really? Oh no. You got a new boot thing? Oh no.
Somebody got a new boot thing?
Somebody got a new boot thing? Oh my god. I'm proud of you.
And in this pandemic?
And in this pandemic too? Oh, that's tough. You gotta be a special lady.
Ooh.
Okay? Congrats though, you know? Okay, last person now. I'm waiting. Shanice's waiting. Tell them. You can answer for them. That's what they should know. Might they somebody tell you something else they wanted to tell you from a long time, but they was afraid to tell you, so go ahead.
What? You said?
Oh, sorry.
You heard it too?
Yes. They said first lady is glowing. Yes, I know. You didn't hear that one?
I heard it.
Oh, God.
I'm not pregnant.
Nope. No way, Bob. No way. You made my food drop on my mouth?
Shanice loved the kids. But I'm done.
Not this time. I ain't getting no more. Signed and sealed. Family, I'm drinking a mango. You know? If you already know what type of juice it is, y'all know that already. I'm not even going to say it. Because y'all should know what kind of juice I'm drinking.
Yeah.
Alright. What happened?
Why so much up on my mouth?
Because somebody see, because when they say, when you say the what you call them, not going to say it, I'm going to say that. Okay. I gave you a napkin already?
Yes.
Okay. You think everybody's here now? Now could I ask them or you want to wait further on? Tell me when you want me to ask them.
I think they're here.
Okay. Alright, family.
Yeah.
Question. Do you want me and First Lady do a smash or pass video? Because I want to do it. I want to do that a long time, you know. I'm just itching to tell her who I want to smash and who I want to the left, to the left. So if you want that, comment down. You better not smash nobody, you know. I tell you that.
What the hell you mean, boy? You been one to me. But what you're talking about? It better be celebrities too. Before you get kicked up on top and boxed up.
We on it, celebrity style? Yes, that's what I'm going to give you, a celebrity style.
So who's supposed to be?
Yo, I'm telling you what you get.
Keep on messing with me.
I can't wait to tell her. Make sure you have some good sexy one, no? Alright. There's some strong sexy one video. So we're going to do that. Okay, family, comment down if you want to see that. Or comment down what game you want me and First Lady to play. What would y'all enjoy? Y'all let me know. And we will do it. You know what I'm saying? We already answered a question you asked about us already. We did it already. So comment down what game you want me and First Lady to sit down and play while we're eating. Give us some ideas. You know? You want us to pass a smack with a powder? I would love that one too. Well, you're boxing each other in the face if they get something wrong with the powder.
You not box me. You must have mad. I ain't playing no games where you box me.
No.
Because I'm violent.
No.
And I boxed you back.
Why you say that? They say Richie waiting for that moment.
Yeah. Because you know you have to play a game to do that.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that, family. I'm not gonna do that. So comment down, real talk now. Comment down what game you and me first play while we're eating. Okay?
What's the way all your games then either violent or cheating?
That's not, a game is not about cheating. Smash and pass is not about cheating. Smash and pass is about celebrity smash. It's celebrity crush.
But you say how long you want to tell me that what?
I want to tell first about celebrity crush for a long time.
Oh please.
You know who my celebrity crush?
I don't know. Don't care.
Okay, good. Now what you do? Okay, you're gonna be surprised when I tell you. Good. As long as you don't know.
You never watch TV, so how the hell you know people? We're gonna watch TV about basketball. It's gonna be basketball players.
So you know my celebrity crush?
I do not.
Good. Keep it right there. You're gonna be surprised, and you shouldn't be surprised.
I do not know.
Don't worry. I got some stuff for you.
I don't know a lot of things. Just like I don't know. Just like you don't know about ground beef.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite, family. Everything first lady cook is my favorite. Will you give me that food?
Nope.
Are you giving none?
Give them some of your food.
I'm definitely going to. Okay, family. What do you want? You want a piece of the chicken, the brown stew chicken? I'll give you a piece. I'll break it in half for you.
It's very good.
I'll give you a piece with some of the rice and peas, okay? Hold on, I don't want it to fall. Here you go. Some of the rice and peas on top of it. There you go.
So we had a good weekend. You know, as usual, it goes by fast. So Richie be at work counting down the hours.
Yeah, right.
So when he's rushing his day, he's rushing my day also. So annoying.
Not a life for me. You was a lick at the mouth. You was like, hey, so much juice came out.
It's been like you?
Yeah, I even know so much came out. What the hell going on?
Whoa.
Family, I don't got on clothes. Don't wear clothes. Thank you for asking how was our weekend though. We appreciate that. You know? Thank you for asking. Just a regular weekend. When I'm at work, I ain't gonna lie, I be rushing the weekends. I want to go by so fast.
This weekend I continued the series How to Get Away with Murder.
I don't watch that.
I did my daughter's hair. Do some cleaning in the house.
This is good.
A little mini food shopping. My daughter said to me today, Mommy, when you gonna go food shopping? I said to her, why? She said, because there's no food in the house. I said, really? Every time I look in the kitchen, you're in the kitchen eating something. How is there no food in the house and you're always eating something? And she got quiet.
That's true. You mess her up on that one. You're trying to be slick.
Every minute she's in the kitchen eating something. So how is there no food?
Exactly. That don't make no sense. Y'all kids do that too? And they be like, there's no food in the house, but when you open the pantry, there's a lot of food, there's stuff in it to make.
They just want the little snacks. I remember when I was a kid. Did you do this too?
What?
I would, as soon as my mom would go food shopping, I felt like I wanted to eat everything. Like, if she bought my favorite cereal, my favorite snack, my favorite juice, my favorite cookie, I felt like I wanted to eat everything at once. And she used to say, I am not going food shopping again for another month. So if you want to eat everything at once, that's your business. And then sometimes she'll say, you need to save for another day. There is tomorrow, you know. In my head, I was like, shut up.
You hear that, Mama Dukes?
In my head.
You hear that?
But then a week later, I'm like, there's no food in the house.
No, you better not tell your mother-in-law that in the mind. You don't tell your mother. Mommy have a problem now. Not true, Mommy. You better not tell you that.
You ever say things in your mind to your mom or your dad when they get on your nerves? Lord Jesus.
For real. When I was a kid, I used to say a lot of stuff, man. I'm like, I be pissed off, but I can't say it.
Can't say it.
Yes,
See?
Mommy. Yes. I used to like, oh my God.
So you used to
sometimes. No, I used to go around and like a mumble like, and then when you mumbling stuff, they already know.
What
you cursing them out their head.
So they be like, what you said?
I heard one thing. Yeah, I did that too when I was a kid. Don't act like y'all don't do that.
I used to go in the room and close the door.
Curse them on your head. Yep.
Again, tell me what to do. Yeah, as soon as they open the door, yes, mommy?
Yep. Frying.
She's like, what you said? I'm like, nothing. Nothing, mommy, nothing. And she'd be like, I thought so. I'm like, damn, yo.
This is good.
Thank you. She used to, Mother boy. That lady, we used to be petrified of that lady.
But one thing, growing up, I didn't have a bad growing up.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Excuse me. Who are you afraid of more, your mom or your dad?
I don't even know. The two of them was bad, but I'm talking about growing up like regular, like I didn't have no issue as no kid. I wasn't a bad kid. You know what I'm saying? I was good.
So yeah, that's how it was. With me, my mother come in, she said, we used to be afraid of my mother. My father, not so much. We wasn't afraid of him at all. So you was afraid of your mom and your dad both. Both of them was equally. Like, if you get in trouble, do something bad, they're both gonna get you.
Yep. True. Wow.
I thought you said we wasn't eating all that food.
I'm not eating all that rice. I'm not eating all that rice. I'm very full.
You on a diet again?
Probably I'm on a fasting.
Oh, please.
I'm fasting. I gotta watch my figure.
Who watching your figure?
I gotta watch my figure now, cause
What you got planned?
not planned, son.
You got plans?
Yep.
So, Richie is going to be joining.
What am I joining?
He's gonna be doing a bodybuilder. He's gonna be the bodybuilder contest.
I'm in a bodybuilder contest. What do you think, fam? You think I can win? Don't worry, you're gonna see the transformation.
Listen, people will believe it, you know?
Yeah, I believe. Because you already believe, because you know what? You want to know what's going on with the greedy couple, you know what I'm saying? I like that. But yeah, I'm entering a bodybuilding contest, family. You know? I gotta start toning up, you know? I got boot camp coming up. All the food I can't be eating more like that.
He gotta eat lean, a lot of protein, a lot of food that builds his muscle.
Yeah.
All the starch is not good.
All this good food, family. I gotta watch my limit now. You know what I'm saying? So now, here's your big opportunity to help. Okay? Don't be shy now. Y'all was helping before, but now, you'll help more. They say, no, Richie, you're not gonna stop eating like that. You're all gonna eat like that. Okay, watch me. Y'all think I'm joking. Watch me. When Never come, you will see.
When what come?
Never worry.
Never worry. That's when he gonna start doing it. Never worry.
You're right, Stat.
I'm done. I'm full.
This meat was like seasoned. I taste everything in it, all in the bone. I know today you season it. You're a good seasoner. Okay.
I'm full.
Me too. I have too much gas in my stomach, so I couldn't eat no more.
Yes.
You ever get that, family? Like, you haven't ate all day and you craving for that food, but that gas is just in that one spot and it's not moving? I don't mean gas like that. You know what I'm talking about? Gas like you can't eat no more because your belly is just like, you're hungry, but when you get the food, you're not hungry. But I ate a lot though. But I had that gas and my food, it just stopped on one side right here. It's just right here. It's not moving. It's right here. I said, Richie, I'm not moving. But it's okay. I'm full though.
That's good. I'm glad you're full.
That's the main thing. Really full. Okay. Which being said, now I got the word for y'all good peoples, you know. I do got guest stamps. I ain't gonna count. Yeah. But I got a good word for y'all today. We appreciate y'all for rocking with us as always, you know. Thank you for tuning into our talk show where we eat and talk about anything, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all joining in with us, you know what I'm saying? Keeping it real, you feel me? So, with that being said, I got this for y'all, okay? Firstly, listen. Family, listen. This one is good. I want you, if you can relate, I want you to relate, okay? Family, lonely is not being alone. It's the feeling that no one cares. You like that one? Let me say it again. If you walked away, you finished eating your food and you was throwing in the garbage, now it's time to come back, because now I'm going to give you the word again. Okay, family, I want you to listen to this one. Lonely is not being alone. It's the feeling that no one cares. So, as I said before, and I tell you all of that, you put it in your own term. I can't put it in there for you. You know what I'm saying? If you can relate, you relate. And if you want to participate, you participate. All right? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. I am Richie if you're new. And this is Shanice, a.k.a. First Lady. All right? And if you're new to this channel again, we are Jamaicans, okay? All right. There we go.
Speak for yourself. I'm Jamaican. I know where you are.
Boy.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.